This carpet may look like it's beyond help, covered in dirt, debris, and layers of embedded pet hair. But let's walk through the step-by-step restoration process. We begin with a quick inspection and removal of surface debris. Larger bits of trash and clutter are picked up by hand before we bring in the vacuum. Pre-vacuuming is an essential step. It lifts dry soil and pet hair that would otherwise turn to mud during the wash. You'd be surprised how much comes out even before we add any moisture. Next, we address the furniture indentations. These compressed areas of carpet can be gently lifted and groomed, using a combination of heat, moisture, and specialized tools, giving the fibers a chance to stand back up. Now it's time for the pre-spray. This cleaning solution is carefully applied across the entire carpet. It's designed to break down oils, stains, and deep down grime. We let it dwell for a few minutes so it can start loosening the soil at the base of the fibers. To make the pre-spray more effective, we use a counter-rotating brush, also known as a CRB. This tool works the solution deep into the carpet and lifts hair and debris that the vacuum couldn't reach. It's one of the most powerful tools in the restoration process. Finally, we move on to hot water extraction, the wash. This step rinses the carpet fibers thoroughly, pulling out the loosened dirt, allergens, cleaning solution, and anything else left behind. The machine not only washes, but also extracts, which helps reduce dry time. What's left behind is a refreshed, soft, and truly clean carpet, restored to a whole new level.